Today is March 31st, and here's an update on where I'm at with my wiring. As you see, I got a couple switches put in. I'll put a piano hinge on this. For right now, I just have a stick holding it up. And I put in my toggle switch, my junction box, to turn on the power to the two power packs. And then I ran my black and red positive negative from that one, and positive and negative from this one, to underneath of the track. Now, underneath of here, I come out with my positive and negative, and I ran it to this board. So all of my positive go to here, and then I did jumper wire across every one. So this is my power pack on this side, and this is my power pack on this side. And then I took the ground wire and ran it to this. Now, on the switches, I have 3 holes. Let me show you. There. I got the center. See if I can get it in focus. I got a center. I got the white on the right, and I got the yellow on the left. This one goes to the right power pack. This one goes to the left power pack. This one here goes to the positive side of the track. The red wire goes to the negative side of the track. And I ran a bus all the way across with the negative wire to all my track leads. And I put breakers in between in case we ever have to take apart the track. So all of my centers go to here, all of my negatives go to the bus. So when I run 2 trains, I can either have power pack on the left or the power pack on the right by hitting either the toggle switch to the left or to the right, and hope to have indicator lights to show whether I'm on power pack, so that everything will be red if I push everything to the right, right on the red line. I can use the right power pack. Then if I wanted to run the other line, I throw my green line all to the left. Left. So this power pack on the left controls my other train.
Oh, where's he going? His tape's up there.
Still got tape on the track from the paint job. So that's a quick on how I'm doing my toggles. That's it for right now. Waiting for the big Al Mayo train to come to take a ride around my track. I'm going to do some work on the switches today. That's it. Will you get the... Faggot. Put my fucking knob in the back of my head. What are you doing, Paul? Explain yourself.
I'm painting a mountain. I need more brown too.
It's not enough?
No.
That is accused of plotting to kill law officers. The group called sorry, and allegedly was David Stone. Prosecutors say that the group intended to murder various police officers. They have Stone ordered the undercover agent
What are you doing?
to build bombs. Prosecutors want the judge in the case to keep the suspected plotters in jail until their trial.
The Vatican is working to prevent Pope Benedict XVI from being deposed
Okay.
in a lawsuit in Kentucky.
Clever, huh?
Were negligent in failing to report claims of abuse by priests.
I ain't done yet. I gotta do the edges.
Okay.
Taking the blend pretty good.
I think it's too dark down the bottom.
Well, that's
Is that shiny stuff gonna turn matte?
it should yeah. Just paint it. Well, I think you want it dark at the bottom because you're going into a reunion. Get your hands on it.
Okay.